Hi everybody. Welcome back to Catherine's Corner. Sophie and I are glad to see you. She says hi. Ignore the noise in the other room. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. My husband and son are out there making noise. But I got an interesting box today. Are you ready to sit down, Sophie? Here. You sit next to Mama. You sit right there. She's been a little worried. I had a family emergency and had to leave town for a few days, and she won't leave my side. In fact, tried to go sleep in my room last night, and she barked and barked and barked until I came out and slept on the couch with her. I got a Trendmood box today, and I'm not sure what's in it. So I already cut the tape. Let's open the box. Pretty purple packaging. Well, that came off pretty easy. Lots of bubble wrap. Ooh, let's see what we got. First item. Kinship, self-reflect rose, prebiotic moisturizing, zinc oxide, broad spectrum sunscreen. Ooh, this keeps reef safe and sound. Oh, great. I'm not going to need to open this right now, but ooh, I am going to be able to use this because I burn like crazy. Oh, okay. I have this, but actually haven't used it. So, e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I need to use that. So, that's cool beans. We'll stick those back there. What do you think, huh? You like that? Oh, Keys Soft Stay Brow Gel. So far, everything I have gotten from Keys, I have loved. This is clear. I don't need to open that right now. I have no makeup on right now, so. Wing It Mascara, 24-hour voluminizing dual tip mascara. What's it say on the back? I don't know what Wing It. Oh, Birdie Lashes. Don't know. Never tried it. Never heard of this brand. Oh, always something new. What's in this big jar? Kapari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. Oh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Let's open it. Let's not open it and say we did. Oh my. Oh, there's a seal. That could be one reason. Take the seal off. Much easier this time. Oh, it's got another safety seal inside. Ooh, kind of creamy, gooey. Has a very mild scent. Let's put some on my hand. Oh, it's cold. We'll put the icky, sticky thing back on. Put the lid back on. Maybe I'll try this on tonight as after shower. Ooh, that goes in nice. Nice, mild, very mild scent. I like scented, but, oh, I like. Oh, and what do I got here? Another Keys Soul Care Nourishing Cleansing Balm. Ooh, yes. Okay. You can start over at any time. I don't know what that means. Nourishing Cleansing Balm. I will be using this. So for everything I've gotten from these guys, I have adored. What is this? Premium Foam Ink Birdie Lashes. Lashes are not my thing. Boy, are those pretty though. What is this? Pari Niacinamide and Caffeine Eye Bright Cream. Ooh. Why did they do this? They give you this big box and then you get this. You don't I don't like it. No, Sophia, I don't blame you. You get this little tiny thing. And let's see. It's green. It's green. Off goes the glass. Well, yeah, off goes the glasses. Why not? A little bit there, a little bit there. Well, I'll get some good use out of that. Let me tell you. What do I have? I have a big palette from Nabla. Read My Mind tablet. Come on. Yeah. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Got a nice mirror inside. Look at this. Let me take this off so you can see it better. That is pretty. Look at, they got them like a little squared off so you can have suggested color uses. Oh, I think I am going to like playing with these. I've not really used, I know I have another Nabla palette, but I haven't had a chance to try it. Because we had a family emergency and I got run out of town for a few days, and looks like I am going to be playing makeup. Oh, I gotta put that back in there. Oh, this is so pretty. I like pretty. You like pretty too, Sophie? She likes pretty too. Oh, this is pretty. Read My Mind. Oh, so I got a nice bunch of skincare and makeup in here. I think this is the only second box I've ever gotten. Yeah. From I forgot who I got this from. Trendmood. You have to kind of sign up real quick, and maybe if you're lucky you get the box. And I wasn't going to do it, and I did it. And I got to quit buying so much makeup because I have more makeup than I'll ever use. But then I was watching Allie Glines do a declutter, and it was funny because her declutter, she was calling more like a show and tell, and that's probably what I would end up doing. Is my declutter would be more like show and tell, because I have so many pretties and I don't know what I would give away because they're all so pretty. I'm like an addict, especially with eyeshadow palettes. Right, Sophie? Take a good look, because the next time you see her, maybe next time, I'm not sure, she's got a hair appointment and she will be beautiful because she'll have a new do. So I'm glad you came back for another quick visit to Catherine's Corner and shared my makeup with me. Next time, maybe we'll be putting some on. That will be fun. All right. Thank you for coming. Thank you for visiting. Say bye, Sophie. see you around. Bye.